Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Bose Sport Earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So simply open this charging case and then you have to take a look for the indicators. As you can see right now they are on the white, but we have to move them to the blue blinking mode, but right now they blinks too fast. So click and hold this Bluetooth button and take a look. As you can see right now, when they slowly blinking, we have to release that button and simply we have to go to the settings on our iOS device, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and then we have to select from the other devices list our earbuds. In my case they appears with this custom name for some reason. After a few moments we will be successfully connected. There we are. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.